Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. Today, I just wanted to play with some new brushes. I was like getting ready to film some TikTok videos and I was like, ooh, let's actually test these out on camera and some other makeup that I haven't really talked about too much on camera. But this is the new BK Beauty. This is the ANGIE Hot and Flashy Brush Collection. Ooh. So you guys have seen me or seen me talk about some of their regular BK Beauty brushes, which I have been loving. So I kind of love that they came out with these. So these are kind of, they have a couple eye brushes. And then we have this. I love me a good angled brush. Like, for either like contour, bronzer, blush, but this looks good for like cream and or powder. And then we have this concealer brush, which I've also been loving for that coverage. So I already got my foundation on, and the palette, I realized I haven't really talked about too much on my YouTube channel, been using it on TikTok, is the Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Mattes palette, and I know it's a little bit more on the expensive side for some matte eyeshadows, but this is the eyeshadow palette that I gravitate towards. Like, honestly, just for me, quick, easy looks, but if I even want to add a little bit of sultriness, like these colors, just in general, it's a lot harder to find such simple, but yet, like, I don't know what you would call it, like very specific colors. They're all in this palette. So I've honestly been loving it. They're all just called matte by the numbers, but this is like my go-to palette, as I've just been, I like matte, I like simple, and I'd rather just mix it up with a pop of color. So let's go in. I'm gonna add some eyeshadow primer to my eye. I'm gonna need to buy a new one soon, or actually my affordable eyeshadow primer that I like to buy is the e.l.f. What is it? The Camel Concealer, the matte one. That one is actually a great like eyeshadow primer on a budget, even though it's concealer, but it's matte. I can't use, you'll see I have my hydrating one, but that's not a good eyeshadow primer because it's just too hydrating and it makes my eyeshadow kind of, what you call it, crack. So I'm going to take the A501 and I'm going to mix these two guys together for a nice easy lid shade. Just to kind of set that. Then I'm going to take this fluff brush. This is the A503. And honestly, some of my favorite, like easy when I just like do just like a little contour. I usually mix these two guys or just use one or the other. But this is usually like my go-to. Just add a little bit of definition, but it's kind of like a nice like camel mustardy color. It's so pretty, so simple. Add a little definition. Ooh, really blend that out. Don't mind my eyebrows. I've been like, I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done, and I don't, and so like I kind of try to clean up, and then I'm like, I'm gonna go, and then I don't go, but that's fine. I feel like sometimes I've gone a little bit too much with them, so I was like, let them grow out, I guess. This one actually makes that application super quick. And it's like the right amount. If you're someone who likes just like a nice crease shade, it gets in the crease while like airbrushing it out too. Because it's kind of got like that nice little point. So you can get in there, but then like big enough to like fluff everything out. That's actually really nice. That made that really quick and simple. I'm waiting. I put my foundation on, as you guys can see. I'm gonna wait to see what we do with this eye before we do concealer, in case I do like drop anything around. And let's see, so we have these two brushes, which I like. So these are my favorite types of brushes. So I feel like, because my eye size isn't that big, I like smaller detail brushes like this for like that outer corner and stuff to really get in there. I know a lot of people use like bigger brushes and then it just makes your eyeshadow look just messy. So I like smaller ones for my eyes. So let's go in, let's see, I like this shade. Ooh. Let's go in with this shade right here, just on like the below that main crease shade on the outer corner a little bit. Ooh, I feel like I haven't played with that guy too much. Add a little warmth. But I was watching, what was it, like a TikTok, and it was like asking, do you do, what is it, like eyeshadow foundation concealer first, or like foundation concealer eyeshadow first. I personally usually always do eyeshadow first. If I'm doing a simpler look like this, I don't mind it, but I'll wait to do concealer to clean everything up. But what are you guys? I definitely prefer, because I'm messy. I'm very, very, oh, that's really nice. That's actually perfect to get right into that crease. If you're someone who loves like cut crease looks or like really detailed crease shades, you're gonna like, this is the A502. I'm gonna go in with the smaller brush right in the outer corner from some smokiness. But for my eye shape, this is like perfect. I'm just gonna take that A503 and blend everything out. Okay, so now let's go in with the A504. So this one is even smaller. This is the one I just used. The 502 versus the 504. So this one is going to be right in a little outer corner detailing. So let's go in with something just a little bit darker. Let's try, do we want red or do we want chocolate? Let's go in with this guy right here. Little chocolat. So I'm just going to press that right out here. You can bring it into the lash line a little bit. Actually, that would be a really pretty shade for like your eyeliner. I'm telling you, these are so simple, but you can create like some of the prettiest eye looks with this. Like I need to actually watch some Makeup by Mario tutorials, but like that just added a little something. You can add a little bit of the red if you wanted. Ooh, that original 502 just to blend those two together. With this handy dandy M501 just to kind of brighten over here a little bit. So I'm going to take just to perk that up a little bit. So let me finish up this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, super simple. Got my brows on. I'm just going to go ahead and take this shade right here. Just do it underneath the brows. But I've been liking this simple with like some dimension. And even like that, like under eyebrow shade, like I feel like it's like a white shade almost, but it's like the white is not too white. Usually it'd be like whoosh, you know? So it's just like, it's such a simple palette, but it's so hard to get these colors sometimes, I feel like. And this is actually a favorite I've been loving. So I've been trying to find like this type of eye pencil, I guess. This is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, 18-hour waterproof. Low-key, this lasts a good long while, and I have mine in the shade Hot Chocolate. I think they might have a black, but I've been liking like a dark brown instead. And I think especially because, as I've mentioned on here, I have not been able to find a replacement for my favorite NYX matte liquid liner. I think they're calling it something else. I haven't picked up the new one because I've heard like the reformulation is not the same. Maybe I should just to see. But yeah, I haven't been able to find a wing liner. I have my gel one, Maybelline, but the pot ones is not my favorite. I just want, you know, So I've really been liking this Essence one, and I think this is like $3 or less. So let's go with that. And even when I do wear lashes, I don't know if I'm going to put on lashes today though. We'll see. Maybe. Okay, I think I used up my tiny brushes. So I'm just going to use this Sigma one, E65. And with the dark brown in the shade, a little mix of the black. Just gonna set that. Do a little bit of a set and even like smudge out a little bit for that smokiness. I guess we're doing lashes today. I'm gonna take that tiny little brush again and go back in with a little bit of that chocolate and that red and get that smokiness in the corner. Smoke that through. And this is why we wait to put on concealer. So I added a little bit more of that red shade. I love that detail, and then we're just gonna blend that in together. When you say you're gonna do a simple look. All right, lashes always bring everything together. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. And let's test out this, what do you call it? Concealer brush. I've really been into concealer brushes, so I'm excited. I have my other one. What is it? The other concealer brush that I have is the Flower Beauty, which is very similar. I love an angled concealer brush. I have like just flat ones, but it's like, you know, stamping. So I just kind of like that you can just pat. It makes it a little bit easier, I feel like, on the eyes, the under eyes, which is a very sensitive area. The other concealer brush that I've been intrigued by is the Rare Beauty one. I was like, ooh, that looks pretty. But I love coverage. As you guys can see, I have like dark circles underneath my eyes. So let's just pack this bad boy in. Ooh, super soft. Like, it's just so luxe underneath the eyes. And I love me some coverage. And especially if I got to clean up right there, so easy. Ooh, this is really nice. And let's bring this down a little bit. Sometimes I'll put it on my nose because my noses get a little bit red. That, oh, okay, coverage. Okay. That is very, very nice. Okay, okay, I see you. Whoa, that's nice. Holy cow. Do your work. What a difference from like using a beauty blender to like a brush. And especially because I love working with like cream products. I love cream based brushes. So I'm excited. I'm even excited to use this for like contour, just kind of like add that on there. That is really nice, super easy. Okay, let me set underneath my eyes before. Whoa, that looks nice. I like this brush. Okay, let me set my eyes. I love using the BK Beauty, the 108 brush. On my TikTok, I actually use like my favorite ways to use this brush, and one of them is to set underneath the eyes. I like to get this ready, do one quick blend, because I do have creases. I mean, those aren't gonna go away. And let's set that how we want it for flawlessness. I want to get, what is, I've been seeing everybody been using the puff, that beauty blender puff. So I'm curious about that. Should I get you ready? Did I get, yes I did. Let's set that. Very nice, very, 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 very nice. All right, so now for my bronzer, I've been using actually a foundation color. This is the Thread Beauty Face It. They're complexion sticks, and I use the shade 140 for kind of like my bronzer contour. So I'm just gonna do one side. Let's actually just blend that out. And in general, whenever I blend out like a contour shade like that, I do like to add a little Max Fix Plus just to... It's like, it can like just hug the curves of my cheekbones that I do not have, but that we're creating. So what I'm doing to make it easy, I like press and pat up, press and pat up. That way you're moving the product up. And it's like you're stamping, and gives it that nice, easy blend without like going all over the place and messing up your foundation. So I like to tap in, tap, tap, tap in. Kind of want to try this a little bit with my Rare Beauty liquid blush just to see. And I feel like, because it's just a little bit above the bronzer, should be good. Usually I like a clean brush, but I do this too. I like that angle. Oh yeah. And I started towards the back. And once again, yeah, pressing that in. Ooh. Whoa, I love this. Oh, I love this for a cream liquid blush. That was so easy. Like, honestly, pat, pat, swipe back, up, up. Yes, that was so easy to kind of like blend out. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, okay, new favorite cream blush. I gotta do my favorite cream and like liquid blush brushes, because this one just made it in, and I definitely have favorites. Oh yeah, yes. And it kind of helps like disperse the color a little bit. So I'm gonna put this a little bit on this side, because that liquid blush I know can get a little crazy. So easy. I love it. Wow. Going in with my Rare Beauty liquid highlighter. I love this. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with Rare Beauty. Let me know if you guys want to see some of my favorite products. I feel like I know I've been sharing my Rare Beauty products on TikTok. I'm trying to grow my TikTok, guys. In general, I've definitely put more work into my YouTube over the years, so I'm trying to get on TikTok. But let me know if you guys want to see like my using some of my Rare Beauty favorites. I don't know, I kind of got to check out because I still have like a store credit at Sephora when I return some things a little late. Should I try the concealer and then maybe do like a Rare Beauty like makeup routine? Because I just love, maybe especially because I'm going more like minimalist too. I mean, not today, but I mean, compared to what I've done in the past, it's pretty low key. But let me know if you guys want to see kind of like that makeup routine, what that looks like. But oof, as the face comes together, the eyes look a little less like, what'd you do? So let me go in real quick and I'm just gonna take this little guy, the 502. It's like a kind of that pencil brush, and just add a little something something underneath the eyes. And we can even take that 504. I don't even think I need to add any product. What additional of that like smokiness, that chocolate shade. Just gonna add that into the outer corner a little bit. Oh yeah. I think I just need to do my lips. So let me set everything with my MAC 6 Plus. Comb my hair a little bit, and you know the hardest part, lipstick. Still gloss today. You can keep it simple. Lip gloss. I'm gonna use the Milani. This is the Cafe Ole lip liner. I'm gonna have to get like another one of these. This has been, I was like, hold on, let's draw. This has been like my go-to lip liner. And then I can't decide. So as you guys know, I love the Maybelline Lifter glosses. Moon or Stone, I think. Let's do Moon. I always use Stone, so let's do Moon. And then I just went ahead and added my smaller hoops. I need to get those, what do they call them? I don't even know how to say it in Spanish. Las arracadas, the little mini earrings. I feel like those are really trending right now. Some gold ones would be super cute. I need to get some more jewelry because I tend to like the quirkier jewelry, some more, you know, like this. But let me know what you guys think of the brushes. I think I definitely have a favorite. I love a good angled brush, but one for like cream products, this is the A507. But I also really like those eye brushes. I feel like they were perfect for like my eyes, they weren't too big. Like I love the little detailer ones, so the fact that they kind of come in their own little set was perfect. I'll have to do another eye look with a little bit maybe more shimmer so I can try out that one. This one, what is it? The A505, but this would even be really good to add your, what do you call it? What do we call it? What do we call it? Primer or concealer, whatever you put on your eyes. But really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me play with the Makeup by Mario palette. Let me know if you have it, if you think it's worth it. It was a little bit of a luxe purchase, you know, gift card things happen, but kind of treat yourself. In general, I feel like the Makeup by Mario, I want to try their, I think it's like their cream contour stick. If you've tried it, let me know. But apparently it's always sold out. So I'm wondering if for good reason. I think their cream blushes as well. But the other brand where I'm like, I need to get off TikTok. But TikTok's making me want to try some other product. I'm like, you know what? June is coming up. My birthday's coming up. So I might have to do a little Sephora shopping. Maybe, hopefully I get some gift cards, or maybe I'll tell Frankie. I don't know. But Patrick Ta makeup. What is it? That like duo cream and powder blush where you do the powder then the cream. Their lip glosses, one of their eyeshadow palettes. If you tried Patrick Ta products, let me know. I've been definitely diving into the Sephora world a little bit here and there, but Rare Beauty got me. They got me back into the mix. And let me know if you want to see some more Rare Beauty products here on my YouTube channel. If you guys have been curious, the latest product that I got was their tinted moisturizer. So I can do a little get ready with me. Hopefully, you know, you guys are interested. So thank you all so much for watching, hanging out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with some more videos, and I'll see you all next time.